In this video you see, step by step, how to form an LLC in Illinois yourself, directly on the official state portal. The state filing fee is $150, and the whole process takes about 10 minutes. No formation service required. Illinois opens with a question that quietly decides your price. A standard limited liability company is the normal answer and costs $150. A series limited liability company can create separate cells inside itself, each with its own assets and liabilities, and it costs $400. That structure exists for people holding several properties or funds who want them walled off from each other. If you do not already know that you need one, you do not, so take the standard option. The other thing worth noticing is what this page does not ask for. There is no account, no username and no password. You file as a visitor. This page looks like a formality and it is actually a fork in the road. Illinois lists the standard terms of your company. The articles take effect on the filing date. The purpose is any lawful business, there is at least one member, and the company lasts indefinitely. Then it asks whether you agree. Say yes and you carry on. Say no and Illinois sends you to a page telling you to file on paper, because anything other than these defaults cannot be done through this online form. For almost everyone these defaults are exactly right, and anything you want to arrange differently between owners belongs in your operating agreement, which is private, rather than in a public filing. The rules sit right above the box, and they cut both ways. Your name has to contain limited liability company, or the abbreviation LLC, or plain LLC. It also may not contain corporation, corp, incorporated, limited, company, limited partnership or LP. That second list catches people out, because company on its own is fine but company is not. The name also has to be distinguishable from every other company already on file in Illinois. Ours is Juniper Crest Ventures LLC. 2 warnings worth reading rather than clicking past. First, the Secretary of State makes the final call on whether your name is available, so typing it here is a proposal and not a reservation. Second, and this is the one people miss, your card is charged at the moment you transmit the articles at the very end. If the state then rejects the filing, the charge is reversed. The page also says debit cards are not recommended for this transaction, which is a hint about how those reversals behave. This is the company's own address, and the state drop-down lists every state, which tells you something important. Your principal place of business does not have to be in Illinois. If you run the company from another state, that is where this points. The one address that must be inside Illinois is the registered office, and that is the next screen. Keep the street line short, because Illinois only accepts 45 characters here and will make you abbreviate. Illinois puts its 3 rules in plain sight. The company cannot be its own registered agent. The registered office has to be inside Illinois. And a post office box on its own, or a C/O address, is not acceptable. Put those together and you can see why most people forming from outside the state hire a registered agent service based in Illinois and type its name here. That is what we are showing. The address you give becomes public record and it is where lawsuits get delivered, which is the second reason people use a service rather than their own home. Illinois will also check this address against a postal database and ask you to confirm it if it cannot find a match. Here you list the managers, and any member who has the authority of a manager. There is room for 8. The format matters and the page shows you an example. For a person you write the last name first, then a comma, then the first name. For a single owner company you appear here once and that is the section done. Everyone listed here is public, which is worth knowing before you decide who goes on the form. This is the last page, and it is where this walkthrough stops. Read what it actually says. The organizer must be a real person at least 18 years old, and by entering a name and address here you affirm, under penalties of perjury, that the articles are true, correct and complete. That is not a formality. It is a sworn statement, and it is why we leave this page empty. What follows it is payment, and filing costs $150 for the standard route, or $250 if you want the 24-hour service instead of 10 business days. You have now seen every decision Illinois asks you to make. The last two are your own name and your own card. That was the complete filing. Illinois wants an annual report from every LLC, and it costs $75. It is due each year before the first day of the month in which you formed the company, so your filing date sets your deadline for good. Let it slide and the state adds a penalty, and eventually dissolves the company administratively, which is a far more expensive problem than the report. For free templates, your operating agreement, EIN guidance, and optional services, visit freellc.us. The link is in the description.